I'd like to make another remark. So now I'm in type R mode, and I'm speaking at normal volume. It seems maybe because there's a slight more weight to it, it seems more stable. It's not jumping around all over the place. Thank you. So we're pinned on third gear. I mean, the car just feels smoother, more controlled, more composed. It just kind of glued to the ground. So this dampening of the car has also subjectively improved my performance. I mean, I'm in type R, I'm not bouncing all over the place anymore. It just feels really good, and I love it. I gotta say, this is, I don't know, it's an amazing modification. So here we go, we're pinned to the ground, third gear, going to the turn. Feels really good. It's glued to the ground. I'm not jumping all over the place.